Okay, then in this video we'll discuss how to add a new item to the set, and we'll also discuss how to remove an item from the set. So let's start with the first one, which is adding a new item. So if you want to add a new item to the set, you can use a method called add. So I'll show you how. So let's say I would like to add a new item to this fruit set. So what I can do is I can say fruit set and then add, and then I can specify a new item. So it's gonna be mango. So now if I print fruit set, this mango should be in the set. So let me show that to you. So in here, apple, banana, cherry, and then the last one is our new item, mango. Okay, so that's cool. Now I would like to discuss now a method called update, which allows you to add a set to the existing set. Let's say you have two sets and you would like to add one set to another. You can use this update method. So I will show you how. So let's quickly create a new set, and it's gonna be vegetables set. So I'll say just vegetables like this, and then it's gonna be first cabbage, and then second one is eggplant, and then cucumber. So now what I want to do is I would like to add this vegetable set into this fruit set. So that's why I will say fruit set and then update, and then in here it's gonna be vegetables set like this. Now if I print this fruit set, vegetables should be in the fruit set. So let me show that to you, and for now I am gonna comment out this and then this one so that we don't get distracted. So now you see cucumber, cabbage, apple, mango, eggplant, cherry, banana. So that's how you merge or add a set to an existing set. So now I would like to point out in here the one that you would like to adding into the existing one doesn't need to be a set. It can be list. So for instance, if I quickly change this one to list like this, it's still gonna work. So let me show that to you. So if I say this one, you see, no problem at all. So it doesn't need to be a set. So that means update can be used with any iterable. All right. So now let's discuss how to remove an item in a set. So if you would like to add an item in a set, you can use a method called remove. So I will show you how. So let's say I would like to delete apple. So what I can do is I can say fruit set remove, and then I need to specify an item in here. It's going to be apple, and apple should be gone now. So it should not be in my set anymore. So let's check. So you see apple is not in the set anymore. So that's how you use a remove method. And I would like to point out in here, if an item doesn't exist in the set, Python will throw an error. Let's say if I say apples by mistake, then Python is gonna throw an error. Let me show that to you. So you see it says key error. That means apples doesn't exist in the set. Okay, so now there is an alternative to remove method called discard. So instead of remove, you can use discard, and it's gonna do basically the same. So if I just say this, You see, apple is not in a set anymore. The difference between them, one of the differences between them is, so when you use discard and when the and you specify a set item which doesn't exist in the set, discard or Python will not throw an error. So let me show that to you. So in here you see, still apple is still in a set, but Python is not throwing an error when I use discard method. Okay, so now let's discuss a method called clear, which empties a set. So if I call that, it's gonna empty my set. So if I say fruit set and then clear, it's gonna empty my set. So I'll show you. So you see, it's empty now. So now the last one I would like to discuss is a keyword called Dell. Obviously we discussed Dell keyword before. It just deletes a set completely. So for instance, when I say Dell and then fruits set will be gone. And if I say this one, print in here, it's gonna throw an error because fruit set doesn't exist anymore. So let me show that to you. You see, name fruit set is not defined. So that's all regarding this video, and I will see you in the next one.